Hello, today I'll guide you through collecting a finger prick blood sample. Let's break it down into easy steps. Start by selecting the side of your ring or little finger on your non-dominant hand. Open the lancet pack. Next, wash your hands with warm soapy water. Warm hands help with blood flow. Dry them thoroughly. Use the provided alcohol swab to clean the selected fingertip and make sure it's dry before proceeding. Twist and remove the blue cap from a lancet. It's now ready to use. Press the lancet firmly against the side of your finger. The lancet will activate with a click. Wipe away the first drop of blood with a clean tissue. Gently massage your finger downward to encourage blood flow. Standing up while collecting your blood drops will help the blood to flow. Hold your finger over the collection tube and let the blood drop in until you reach the fill line. If needed, use another finger. Once full, stop collecting and press on the cap until you hear a click. Gently invert the tube 5 to 10 times to mix the sample. Label the tube with your details using the label provided in your pack. Proper labeling is essential as unlabeled samples will be rejected. Place the labeled tube inside its protective transport packaging and use lancet back into the test kit box. Follow these steps and your sample is ready for testing. Remember, if you have any questions, just call Better2Know. We are always happy to help.